Nuts and nuts. You can already hear the screaming. No. No.
Now when the swings, I'm gonna go.
But the swings are not even scary. Oh. El video.
Oh.
That's not. Pa con la camisa de Goku.
No le va a caber los cervezas aquí.
Hey, sí,
Le
me
va a
van a
parar su
caer.
panza.
Salud.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're at Nuts.
Are you mom?
Nuts vlog.
Dad.
Yep, they're over there. We're gonna do a little Nuts vlog. Gonna have a good time. Oh, ya me se le olvidaron los tickets. No, okay. My mom got stopped. She's over there now. We're just waiting on her. So we're at the entrance. It's our first ride of the day. We're gonna ride that one. I don't know what she's on, but we're gonna go on to Silver Bullet. Oh no. Oh, the thing is right there. No, I'm scared now. See, yes. See? No, no, no. Ya me asusté. Ya me asusté. Little patitos. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
Ya se miraron, ya se miraron.
We went on accelerator. It was not that bad. Now we're gonna go on the swings. There's no light. Papito and Kay. Papito and Kay. Down the swing.
Make sure all loose articles like cups are.
Okay.
Ya los raites rápido tiene la gente para hacer su pase rápido de ahí.
Sí. ¿Por qué tiene fast pass? We are going on a dragon one next. They already entered it without us. Oh, look at the little fountain. So nice. We're gonna go on the dragon one.
Sit down. Oh, this one.
Sí.
Riders on this set, go ahead and pull down on your restraints. Pull all the way down on your restraints.
Keep it, keep it. Let's see her reaction. Your mama and papa over there. Mama and papa. We're gonna go on this one with Kate this time. Excited. Kate, Kate was so brave. Kate didn't get scared. My makeup is like coming.
Woo! It is hot as a witch's coot.
This one. The other one was not that bad. It was not that bad. Hi guys. Hey. Hi guys. What?
Guys.
The other one?
You see? Look. Look.
Guys. The other one? Oh no, I was gripping for my life. Okay, that was not bad at all. Now we're gonna be on the carousel.
Technicians, we ask you to stand next to them on that platform away from the yellow edges. Thank you.
Mamita. And then Papito. We're gonna go on that one. Just wanted to show you guys the view. Beautiful. We already had something to eat. Well, I don't think it's the best idea to go on this one. Hope I don't bomb myself. Go and like develop this whole thing. But I'm not. Love you, Kate. 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 Why is she looking at me? And then the one over there. We're having like a lot of fun right now. I low-key kind of want to go home right now, but I kind of don't want to go home. Like I'm like ready to take a nap because I already ate. Ah! But they're over there. Look at it, dude. We're on this one. Why does she look like that? Look. Apple. Give me my apple. It's like we're in the forest. We're getting the apple. Mama eating an apple. Look at my pimple. Ronnie eating an apple. Mama security. No, John. La ciudad como security. We're here at Ghost Rider.
Yeah.
Ghost Rider. Papa didn't want to go.
Okay.
Okay, Papa's a scaredy cat. Scaredy cat.
Guys, look.
A fuerzas against him. I'm gonna go on that one.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
I'm like, I got a pimple. But I'm like half burnt. No, my tummy is gonna be like really bad. Mama, look.
¿Ah? ¿Cuál se dijo tu papá que te coja Sanskrit?
Why are you like that? Acting like he's like about to be like. I don't know, I get scared. Sorry. They asked Kate if she can name 5 Tom Petty songs. I didn't even know that was an artist. Sorry. Stop saying bye. But the worker asked her, it's like, name 5 Tom Petty songs. They don't know. We're on the mine ride. We went on Ghost Rider. We went on Ghost Rider. It was pretty. I thought it was not gonna be that bad. It was that bad. Look at the pictures. My mouth was wide open. My mouth was wide open. I like the uniform too. They're nice professional. Wow, this is so nice. On the mine ride.
Ahí debe estar el palito. El palito.
Beautiful music. I can't even move. I like need to sit down. Honey, it's a little one. We're about to leave. My feet hurt really bad. Ichigo. Ichigo home. Ya no puedo más. Ya no puedo más. Anyway, well, it was really fun, but my feet hurt like really bad. Like, I can't. Oh, you can't even see me anymore. Oh. Okay, this is the best lighting. To be doing it all day. No, mama, it's not for me. It's not for me. Like, come the evening, that's it. Get on like 5 rides. That's all I need. That's all I need for real. But this was my first time on Silver Bullet. It was pretty fun. It was actually really fun. I would definitely recommend. I would go again. But I would not. I was too scared to go on hang time. Hey, yo, we're gonna go on Silver Bullet again. But my shoes are like half untied. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw it, but they're like carrying him in his arms. No, I hope he's okay. I hope he's okay. But there's literally no lighting. What's the light? We're on here again. No, nomás me lo voy a quitar. Me lo voy a quitar. Ahí me voy a poner chorrito. This is probably gonna be our last ride. And it's the first time Kate's gonna go on it because last time she did not go on it. Oh, I hate that you guys can't see me, but but we just went on Silver Bullet. Oh, that was my favorite. That was my favorite. But they said that it was the last ride, so oh no. We have left. This is the end of the vlog. So you know what?
Look at this dude.